Learn to read English 5. Short E-words. Benchmark, 1st grade, Unit 2, Week 1. Ed, bed. Ed, fed. She fed the cat. Ed, red. Egg, peg. Egg, beg. N, hen. N, men. N, pen. N, ten. Et, jet. Et, let. She will let you have a cookie. Et, met. They have met for the first time. Et, net. The fishy got away. Et, set. Set the table. Et, wet. He's really wet. Ek, deck. Ek, peck. Look at that hen pecking. Ek, neck. L, bell. S, less. One girl has less ice cream. L, fell. Ouch! L, sell. L, tell. That boy is selling lemonade. L, well. L, yell. Hey, Tommy, do you have any lemonade left? S, mess. What a mess. Bye-bye. See you next time.